Hey guys, in today's video I'll show you guys how to paint this easy sunset seascape, and I'm going to be going over some tips and tricks that you can apply while you paint some water reflection and clouds. I'm going to link all of the materials I used in my description. If you do have any questions about this painting, then just comment below, and as always I'll be more than happy to answer you. Before I do get into my tutorial, I want to talk to you guys about Skillshare. I'm going to explain to you guys what Skillshare is all about. Skillshare is an online learning community for creators. There are more than 25,000 classes in things like business, graphic design, fine arts, and much more. I really like to watch the acrylic and watercolor classes there. The premium membership on Skillshare gives you unlimited access to all of these classes, so you're able to join whichever class or community that suits your goals. Skillshare is a really good place to learn from, whether you want to fuel your curiosity, creativity, or even career. In the fine arts category, there are many good teachers that cover very important topics. One of the best kind of classes that you can find on Skillshare are the ones that talk about watercolors in depth, such as the different watercolor brands, how watercolors work based on your different kind of paper, and some other tips and theories that are very useful and important when painting with watercolors. Skillshare is also super affordable. An annual subscription will cost you less than $10 a month, but if you aren't ready to pay for the membership, you can simply get the premium access by using the link in the description to get a free trial of 2 months. I feel like this is a really good way to sort of explore the whole website around, and I would definitely recommend you guys to check out the watercolor classes. So if you guys are interested, just click the link in the description and join more than 7 million creators learning with Skillshare. So here basically I started off with a light base of Indian yellow, and then I mixed my cerulean blue with violet, and I also had diluted that, and I used basically a lighter version of that. So I have a base here that goes from yellow to a little bit of a cool violet to an actual light violet. And now I'm just gonna take more of my Indian yellow and build up on it, and then take more of my purple and continue. If you don't have a paper that's very heavy, I would really recommend you guys to work faster on this part. And if you have a paper that's like 260 pound or 300 pound, then this whole area is gonna stay wet for a really long time. And actually, if you feel like often that your painting gets dry way too quickly before you can even add something else, maybe what you should do is start making paintings on heavier papers, and then as you learn how to work quickly, you can take papers that are less heavier.